Hi class, you did a great job brainstorming. Look at all those words that you found with your thoughts about weather. You like thinking about weather, don't you? Snow, weather, seasons, prediction. Ooh, that's a good one. How about thermometer? Wow, and temperature. Yes, well, temperature is one of our delineators for our categories. So hot and cold weather. Those are going to be the two categories that we list our thoughts about weather underneath. So hot weather, the definition is that it's weather that's greater than 80 degrees, and cold weather is less than 50 degrees. So when I was looking at the word sun off of our list over here, I thought, is it going to be under 50 degrees or over 80 degrees? Most usually when it's sunny, it's over 80 degrees. How about snow? Snow is usually under 50 degrees because it takes a temperature of 32 degrees to make water freeze. How about rain? Rain could go in either category because could it rain in places like Hawaii when it's greater than 80 degrees? And could it rain in places like here when it's under 50 degrees? Yes, so that one can go in both places. So now you're going to go to your groups, you're going to look at your categories and check out your definitions for hot temperature weather and cold temperature weather. And then you're going to list the words that I've given you in each of your groups. You're going to list those under either hot or cold. Then we're going to come back and talk about those words. And there you go. You did it. You listed them. You did a great job. You're quick learners. You're increasing your ability to categorize words, to critically think, and your background knowledge about weather. So you're doing an awesome job. You're really growing your vocabulary. Here's some cold weather for you. Wonderful. You've got downpour and shower and drizzle. And now I want you to go back and actually write down the definitions and make sure that you have all of your hot weather words in the right place on the right category and your cold weather words in the right place in the right category. And if you have a word that fits both categories, be ready to explain to the class why. All right, great job. Have fun with the rest of your assignment.